Hi, this is Zach Lawrence again, and I just want to show you how to read, how to reply, and how to write to your different emails. So reading emails, as discussed in the previous email, is quite easy. Here you can scroll down through all your different emails. If you ever want to look at one more in detail, if the preview is not enough, double click and it will open it up for you. You also might want to know how to search later on when you have more emails. So for example, here I'm just going to search by keywords, and I'm just going to search for something. We'll say, for example, sandwiches. By default, it's always going to show you the keyword, which is anything that you found inside the email. In a later video, I can show you more in-depth ways of doing searches. So for right now, we're going to exit, press that close search, and we're going to go back into our main. So what we need to do first is reply to an email. So I'm going to reply to an email. So I'm going to, for example, click on this one. You can either, or you're going to double click it. That's always the easiest way to do it. Then I'm going to click reply. It opens up a new window. This is my wonderful email. So click reply, done my editing, and then click send. So replying to an email is very easy. You won't have any difficulties. So now I'm going to create an email from scratch, from the very beginning. So the easiest way is to click up here and go to new email. And here under to is here where I'm going to write my email. So let's say I want to write Nancy an email. So you'll see that it does previous emails, but if this is the very first time you've ever sent an email to anyone, you'll need to click onto check names, and that will find it automatically. So here there's only one Nancy in the school, so it found it automatically. But sometimes you'll have conflicts, and there you'll have to choose. So for example, if I wrote Steve and I clicked on change names, it's going to show you all the different possible Steves here in the school. As you start to send people more emails, Office will learn that, and it will automatically offer you that choice. So for example, Jason will automatically have his in there because I've already sent him multiple emails. So there we have it. That's all we need to know. So if I was going to send this email, I'd click on send, but for right now, we're just looking into Outlook. We don't need to use it. And I'd honestly recommend you don't start using it until May 1st. The point of right now is just to explore and to understand how it's going to work, to make sure that when May 1st comes, you are all ready to go. No.